So we're gonna come in at Harrahs Casino Hotel here in San Diego. We're on South Tower. As you come in on your right hand side, that is the restroom. I'm trying to locate the light. It's kind of dark. Um, yep, right there. I think it's on now. So left hand side, that's the shower. They installed a wall like shampoo, conditioner. And right there, that's the towel. On right hand side, that's where the toilet. Okay, right there, right hand side. That's the closet, and then where you can put your money, the safety lock. Right on top, some iron. That's the TV. That's the bed and corner table. That's the view from top. Okay. Two queen size bed. I think there's a little fridge down here. And that's pretty much it.